Go. All right, my tour. My name is The More You Know. My tagline is gross. And my business name is The More You Know. Stop. So you decided to take a tour of the digestive system. First of all, gross. Second of all, first thing you need to know is how everything moves. It uses peristalsis through the digestive system, which is the relaxing and tightening of muscles to move food through your GI tract. And you need to know what mechanical and chemical digestion is. Mechanical is a physical breakdown of food, while chemical is exactly that, the chemical breakdown of food. Okay, for the first stop of the digestive system, food enters the mouth, where the teeth and the tongue help break down the food through physical digestion, mechanical digestion. Food is chewed and mixed with saliva, and then allows the food to move easier throughout the esophagus. Saliva lubricates food to pass through the esophagus. And then the tissue being used is the straight squamous epithelium. Stop. This process is called ingestion, which is the first stop of the digestive system. Okay, the second stop of the digestive system is the esophagus, which is right here. It has a tube in your throat that controls the food where it goes into your stomach. This process is called propulsion. I don't think I said that right, but that's okay. Once food is chewed up with saliva, it is moved through the esophagus through using peristalsis. The muscles tighten and relax to move the food through. The food being used is straight squamous epithelium, and then the food is neutralized through this stage, and it uses mechanical digestion. This process makes bolus. Alright, for our third stop in the digestive system, you have mechanical or physical digestion, which is down in the stomach. This is where chyme is made. Food is broken down more in the stomach to get absorbed in the small intestine or the large intestine, and is then broken down to absorb the nutrients. It is mechanical digestion, and it uses simple columnar epithelial tissue. Stop. So the fourth stop of the digestive system is the duodenum, which is right here, this little tube. It breaks down food in the small intestine, turns food into juices. It uses chemical digestion, and it uses simple columnar epithelium tissue. The fifth stop of the digestive system is the liver. The liver absorbs nutrients from food that has been broken down through chemical digestion, and it uses connective tissue. The sixth stop of the digestive system is the gallbladder, which is right here. It stores bile, thick liquid, to help take in fat. It uses simple columnar epithelial tissue, and then it uses mechanical digestion. The seventh stop of the digestive system is the pancreas, which is right here. It makes juices and hormones. It uses simple columnar cubital epithelium tissue, and it is neither mechanical or chemical digestion. Okay, so the eighth stop of the digestive system is the small intestine, which is right here. As you see from the stomach, it leads to the small intestine. This is called chemical digestion. Parts of the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. It takes food into small intestine from stomach and takes in nutrients. It uses simple columnar epithelial tissue, and it uses chemical digestion. The ninth stop of the digestive system is also in the small intestine. It uses absorption. The small intestine walls absorb nutrients, and heart pumps nutrients throughout the body where it's needed. It uses chemical digestions, and it uses simple columnar epithelial tissue. And finally, the last stop of the digestive system is in the large intestine, where it uses diffection, which is that process of making stools or feces. It uses the rectum. Once food has been moved through the stomach, the food leaves the body through excretion from secretion. This food enters the rectum, then leaves through the anus. It uses simple columnar epithelial tissue, and is neither mechanical or chemical digestion. This is where your stools are made, which is just waste of food that's no longer needed and it wasn't used for nutrients or leftover nutrients that weren't absorbed or used. But that's your tour through the digestive system. Have fun. Might be a little gross at times, especially once you get to the last stop. But have fun, you'll learn a lot, and just enjoy your trip. Hope to see you. Enjoy, and thank you for your time.